In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Filmora AI text to video. If you've ever wished you could turn a simple idea into a rough cut without hunting for clips or spending hours on a timeline, this tool is a great place to start. We'll keep things simple and clear so you can follow along the first time. Begin by opening Filmora. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're on a stable connection so the AI can fetch any assets it needs quickly. Once the interface appears, create a new project. This opens a clean workspace with your timeline ready at the bottom and your media panels on the left, which is where we'll be heading next. Now click on Stock Media. This panel houses built-in libraries and, importantly for us, Filmora's AI features. Inside Stock Media, look for the AI Media section. This is the hub for all the smart tools that can help speed up your editing process. Go ahead and click AI Media to reveal the available options. From here, choose Text to Video. This feature takes your written idea and automatically generates a video based on that description. You'll see a prompt field inviting you to describe what you want. Keep your prompt brief but specific. In 1 to 3 sentences, explain the main subject, the tone or mood you're going for, and any standout elements you care about, like a travel montage with bright, energetic visuals, or a calm product overview with clean, minimal shots. The clearer your description, the better the AI can interpret your intent. Once your prompt is set, click Generate. Filmora will analyze your text, source appropriate visuals from its stock libraries, and arrange a sequence on the timeline. You'll see a preview build out as the AI places clips, transitions, and pacing to match the feel of your description. Depending on your prompt and available options, you may also notice background music or on-screen text appearing to support the story. Don't worry if it takes a moment. Processing time can vary, especially with longer or more detailed prompts. That's the entire flow from idea to first draft. Open Filmora, create a new project, go to Stock Media, select AI Media, choose Text to Video, write a concise description, and generate. Use this as a fast starting point, especially when you need inspiration or want a quick structure to refine later. With a well-crafted prompt, Filmora AI Text to Video can save you a lot of setup time and get you to the creative part faster.